In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find a Nether Fortress in Minecraft 26.1.2. The first thing you need to do is enter the Nether. To do that, go through a Nether portal in your world. Once you arrive, take a moment to make sure you are prepared before moving too far from your portal. The Nether can be dangerous, so it helps to stay aware of your surroundings as you begin your search. To find a Nether Fortress, start exploring the Nether and look carefully across the landscape. A Nether Fortress is a large structure made of dark red nether bricks. It usually stretches across open space and often appears elevated above the surrounding terrain. Because of its size and color, it can stand out against the rest of the Nether when you have a clear view. As you move through the area, try to travel across more open sections of the Nether whenever possible. Wide spaces and views across lava lakes can make a fortress much easier to spot from a distance. If the terrain around you is crowded with walls, cliffs, or dense formations, it can be harder to see one. Moving to higher ground or toward more open terrain can give you a better chance of finding the structure quickly. Keep scanning the distance for long bridges, tall walkways, and connected platforms made from nether bricks. These shapes are one of the easiest ways to recognize a nether fortress. If you see a dark red structure crossing through the air or extending over lava, that is usually a strong sign that you have found one. If cheats are enabled in your world, you can speed up the process by using the locate command. Open the chat and type /locate structure fortress. This will point you to the nearest nether fortress. This is the fastest and most direct method if commands are available. Once you find the fortress, head inside and begin exploring it carefully. Nether fortresses contain valuable resources that are important for progression. You can collect blaze rods from blazes, gather Nether Wart, and find other useful loot throughout the structure. Be cautious while exploring, since hostile mobs can appear inside and around the fortress. That covers everything you need to know.